Okay.
I don't know why we don't want teacher focus, do we?
No, she's pretty focused already. Look.
Just put it in. Okay, Cookie, where'd you put my clicker?
Robert, you had your own clicker there, honey.
I'm asking Cookie where she put it.
She didn't put it anywhere.
Are you filming her?
Yeah.
No, stop that jumping. Cookie, sit. Good girl. Good girl, Cookie. Wait for the command. Wait for it. Cookie, sit. Good girl. Good girl, Cookie. Cookie, sit. Good girl, Cookie. That's a good baby. That's a good girl. You're a smart dog.
Look at her little tail.
Cookie, sit. Good girl. That's a good baby. Good girl, Cookie. Not yet. Cookie, sit. Good girl. That's a good baby. That's a good girl, Cookie. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's such a good baby, Cookie.
Now say something to Mara.
What do you think of that, Mare? Pretty impressive, huh? That's a good baby. You're a smart dog on your first day. You're learning how to sit. Don't eat the clicker.